Morning everybody, I am at Walgreens. I'm here, I'm excited to do some deals. There's some great deals that we're gonna do. Candy deals, I think it's the time to do candy deals. But I'm gonna go inside, show you guys deals all throughout the store, and then I'll come back and show you my breakdown, any questions, problems, concerns, anything like that. I will share with you guys what happens, and I'm excited. Let's go shopping. So there's two different soaps on sale. We have the smaller soft soap and then the bigger one. So the smaller one is $1.99. They are currently buy one get one 50% off. There's currently a 1.75 digital coupon that you guys will use. You'll pay $5.22, but then you get a $4 cash rewards when you buy 4. So it ends up becoming $1.22 or just 30 cents each. If you want to do the bigger ones are $2.99. You want to use or you got to use one or the other, but you want to use that 75% off digital coupon. You would end up paying $8.22, but then you get a $4 cash rewards, making it $4.22 or just $1.05 each. We have the Tresemme 2 for $10. We're actually going to use this with another deal, but for this deal we're going to use the 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and then we're going to go get the next item. And along with the Tresemme deal, we're going to get the toothbrushes. The toothpaste is included, but I like getting the toothbrushes. So they are going to be $3. You can mix and match however you want. But there is a $6 off of 4 digital coupon. So you're going to buy 4 of toothpaste, toothbrushes, and mouthwash however you want. You'll end up using the 4 off of 2 with the Tresemme, and you'll use the 6 off of 4 with the Oral-B/Crest. You'll pay $12, but every 3 that you buy, you get a $5 cash reward. So you're actually buying 6 items, so you're going to get a $10 back in cash rewards, making your final price for everything just $2 or 33 cents each. So the Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $2.99 or $3.99. There is 2 different deals so you can do it. So you want to buy 1 Colgate toothpaste and 1 Colgate toothbrush for $2.99. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you'd want to use. You end up paying $1.98, but then you get a $2 cash rewards where it comes out to be free. Or you can do the Colgate that's $3.99. Again, buy 1 toothpaste, 1 toothbrush. You would end up paying $3.98, but then you get a $4 cash rewards, making those free also. And another deal for the toothpaste deal and the toothbrushes, again, you can buy 3 of them. We actually have some insert coupons in the P&G that you guys can use also. So there is $2 off toothpaste coupons, and there's $2 off toothpaste coupons. You'll end up paying just $3 for the 3 of them, but you'll end up getting $5 cash reward, so it ends up becoming a $2 moneymaker. So here's an easy freebie for you guys. These are actually on sale for $3 this week, but there is a $3 off digital coupon for this, so you'll end up getting this for free. Currently the Tide and the Bounty and the Downy products are all buy 3 you get the 4th one free. So they are $4.49, and we do have some insert coupons. We have the $1 off for the Downy for the 60 load and then the 48 load, and then we also have $2 off coupons for the Tide Pods and the Tide Liquid. So you're going to use these 3 coupons. You're going to buy 4 of them, so you can pick and choose whatever the 4th item that you want, but you'll end up paying just $8.47, making all 4 of them just $2.11 each, which is an okay deal. So I just looked at this. All they really want $6.49, and people will pay that price for convenience. But anyways, these are on sale this week for $2.88. There is a $1 off digital coupon that you want to use. You'll end up just getting this for $1.88. So the Airheads right now are on sale for $1.49. You guys would pay $1.49 for this, but there's actually a $1 rebate with Ibotta, and you get a $1.49 register reward for everyone that you buy. So you can buy as many of these as you want in one transaction, but you will only get $1.49 register reward. But the Ibotta thing is a limit of 5. But if you really wanted to, you can make a couple transactions and wait for your Ibotta to reset. Now it may or may not reset. I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that, but this ends up becoming a $1 moneymaker if you want to go ahead and do that deal. Here they have a bunch of candy on sale, 2 for $2, and there is a $1 off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, so you will get these each for 50 cents each if you want to go ahead and do that deal. So the Fruittella is on sale for buy one at $2.99. You get one free. So you end up paying just $2.99. But then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, so you actually get $2 back, making these just 99 cents or 49 cents, 50 cents each. So the Mars candy is on sale for 2 for $5, but there's actually a coupon in the Walgreens booklet for $1 off of 2. So you guys will get each bag for just $2. That includes the Milky Way, the Musketeers, the Twix, the M&Ms, I think the Snickers, anything that you guys need to stock up on. So the Hershey candy is actually on sale this week for $1.99, sorry for the glare, but there is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. Plus there is a $1 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, so you'll get each bag for just 99 cents. The Post cereal, Life cereal, is on sale for just $1.99. Now there was a coupon for it for $1 off 2, but I think that may have expired. I tried searching for it on coupontom.com and I could not find it. But if you guys need some cereal, $1.99 is an okay deal. My store only has one of these, but the Equal Original is $4.29. It's currently actually on sale for buy one, get one free. We do have a 3 off of 2 insert coupon that you guys can use. You'll end up paying just $1.29, but there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these, and you can get it by 2. So this ends up becoming just 29 cents for 2 of them, which is a pretty decent deal. If you guys are craving some tuna, the albacore solid white, or bumblebee solid white albacore tuna is 3 for $4. We currently have a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, so you'd get 3 of them back. Your final price just comes out to be $3.25 or just $1.08 each. Okay, a lot of you guys have been asking when this stuff's gonna go on clearance. So it looks like all the summer stuff right now is currently 50% off. It says until October 9th, but I don't think that is true. I think it'll end before that, but my store has quite a bit, not like they've had in the past, but they still have quite a bit of activities, bubbles, tunnel, and then we're getting to this clothing area, which that looks like it's 50% off. The swim gear, 50% off. The shoes, 50, and then we got some of the glassware, frisbees, all that stuff, 50% off, and then it looks like the bug repellent stuff is on clearance too. That looks like it's 50% off. Then we got some baby stuff, coolers, garden items, all 50% off. So make sure you guys are checking your stores. If you see something you like, get it now, because you never know if it'll still be there. The complete home bags are on sale for $2.79. They're buy one get the 2 free. So you guys will pay $2.79. It comes out to be 93 cents a box if you need some baggies. Also, I see a lot of my alcohol, or wine I guess, is all like 50% off. So make sure you guys are checking. I mean, this is $1.99, $4.99, $2.89, $5.49. Make sure you guys are checking your alcohol, because you never know when you can save some money. Hello everybody, welcome. Sorry for, I don't know, zooming in. So I went to Walgreens this morning. Obviously, you guys, I'm still in the parking lot. I was super excited to go couponing. Okay, get to the register and she tells me my total, and I'm like, okay, didn't figure out anything, didn't really look at the prices. And so I'm like, okay, and I did 3 separate transactions. One was a freebie that I had to use, but the other 2, something, I'm like, this just seems awfully high. So I get to my car, I start filming, okay? I look at my receipt and I'm like, wait a minute, something's not right. I had 8 or 9 items that did not show up as the sale price. I'm like, are you serious? So I had to go back in the store. Well, now I'm looking at my receipts and they took all my cash, my earned points back. So now I gotta complain. I'm gonna call Walgreens or something. I don't wanna go back in the store and complain again, but I think I lost all my points that I was supposed to receive. So, yeah. But anyways, I'm going to share with you guys what I got, and then I'm going to show you guys my total in all this confusion. So, just bear with me. So the first deal we did is the Tide deal. Now the Tide was not showing up on sale. It was showing up regular price. It was not showing up buy one, get one free. So these were $4.49. I used a $2 off coupon for the liquid, a $2 off coupon for the pods, and a $1 off coupon for the Downy. And then I had one more liquid Tide. So if your deal goes correctly, I'm just losing everything. If your deal goes correctly for this deal, you guys would get everything for $8.47. That's $2.11 each for the Downy, the Tide, and all that stuff. So I got 2 Tides, pods, and the pods are in another bag. So I got that, another Tide fell out of the bag. Okay, so those are items that got messed up. So make sure you guys are checking that depending on when you guys go shopping. I know they'll fix it by the time majority of you go shopping. Then I got the All. The All is supposed to be on sale for $2.88. This was ringing up $6. $6, like I said. But $1.88 is after you use the $1 off coupon. So you guys will just get this for $1.88 after that digital coupon. So those are the 2 things that got messed up for me. Okay. And then I'm not even close to being done out of the items that got messed up for me. The next, I'm just gonna dump these out in my bag because it's easier to share with you guys that. Okay, so the next deal I got was the Mars candy. Now these were supposed to be 2 for $5. Nope, these came up as regular price too. So if they work, it was 2 for $5 with a $1 off 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making these just $4 or $2 each if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. Got the Hershey's Kisses. Now these are the deal of the week. You guys want to use that? Yep, these rung out full price too, so I had to go get adjusted. But anyways, these are $1.99. There is a $1 off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, plus there is a $1 off a 2 coupon, digital coupon. So you guys would just get these for 99 cents a bag. I don't know what happened to the second, oh, it's right in front of me. You guys would get these for just 99 cents, which is a great deal. And then here I got the Tide Pods, so I got that. The next deal I did was the Crest and the Oral-B and the Tresemme. So the Crest and the Oral-B were $3 on sale. These rung up full price too. Yeah. Anyways, I got 4 of the Crest toothpaste and toothbrushes, and I got 2 of the Tresemme, which was 2 for $10. You want to use a 4 off a 2 digital coupon, and then you want to buy 4 of these and use a 6 off a 4 digital coupon. You'd end up paying just $12 for the 6 of these, but then you guys will get a $10 or $5 cash rewards for buying every 3 items. So you get $10 back for cash rewards, making your final price just $2 or 33 cents each for 2 bottles of Tresemme and then 4 of the Crest or Oral-B. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that. But then what I ended up doing is I ended up using my paper coupons that I had. So I bought 2 of the Oral-B's and 1 of the Crest. I used 3 $2 off coupons that I got. You guys would end up just paying $3 for these, but you get that $5 cash rewards, making it just $2, or no, making this a $2 moneymaker. $2 moneymaker. Okay. And one of those also did not ring up regular or normal price. This one did. So this is the freebie of the week. This is $3 on sale. You want to use a $3 off digital coupon. You'll end up just getting this absolutely free. I just had to pay tax for that. The next deal I got was the Rolo. Now the Rolos, these are 2 for $2. There is a $1 off a 2 coupon that you want to use in the Walgreens booklet. You get these just for 50 cents, which I think is a great deal. This did not ring up on sale either. This rung up regular price. So these are on sale this week for $1.49. You pay $1.49 for this, but there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta. So you'll get $1 back with Ibotta, and you get a $1.49 register reward. So this ends up becoming a $1 moneymaker if you guys want to go ahead and do the Airheads deal. That is a great deal. Now you can do that in multiple transactions if you want, but you can't guarantee that the Ibotta deal is going to renew itself. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. I ended up doing this deal. I ended up getting a Baby Ruth and a Butterfinger. These are on sale this week for 88 cents. You'd pay 88 cents for this, but then there is a 25-cent rebate and a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these just 63 cents. So if you guys need some candy bars for 63 cents, go for it. The Fruittella is on sale. Again, this is to the end of the month, which is obviously the 25th. These are $2.99. They're buy one, get one free. You'd pay $2.99 for this, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta and a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making these just 99 cents. You get these each literally for like 50 cents, which is a great, great deal. The next deal I did was the Colgate toothpaste, and these did not ring up on sale either. So these were these are $2.99. I was scanning my receipts, and this one I couldn't find any toothbrushes that were having the $2 off digital coupon for the $3.99 one, so I just ended up doing the $2.99 ones. But these were each $2.99. I used a $2 off digital and a $2 off digital for the both of these. You'd end up just paying $1.98 for this, but then you get $2 cash rewards, making these absolutely for free. And then the last deal I got was the soft soap. These are on sale for $1.99 at buy one, get one 50% off. You want to use the 75-cent off digital coupon that you will use. You'll end up just getting, paying $5.22, but then you get a $4 cash rewards when you buy 4 of them. Comes out to be just $4.22 or no, $1.22 or 30 cents each. So I was looking at the $2.99 one. So that was my haul, you guys. Okay, so I started filming and then I looked at my receipt because I'm just like, wow. So my original total was $58.47. I'm like, man, that is super high. I'm like, what? I'm like adding this up. I'm like, it shouldn't be $58.47. And then I'm like, okay, wait a minute. So then I was in the car and I looked at some of the things and they were not coming up on sale prices. So then I go inside and she started to adjust while I'm looking at my receipt more, and I found even more stuff that was not ringing up. And she's like, well, I'm happy it was you, because otherwise some random person would go in and just go off on them. So my total was $58.47. I received $27.49 of Walgreens cash, and I'll get to that at the end. I received one register reward for $1.49. I received $3.50 for Ibotta, and then I also got points for Fetch Rewards. And then if you guys are not sure, P&G has the gift cards back again. Gift cards are back. I stopped scanning my receipts because I'm like, this is worthless. So while I was waiting, I ended up scanning my receipts for the P&G stuff that I got. So you guys can start getting your gift cards. I think one of you, I don't know if it's 2 per month or if it's one of each gift card per month. I'm not sure. I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. So when I was all said and done, I'm like, my total came to $25.99. I'm like, that is super, super high. Well, I go in the store and she gives me, I think I put them in my wallet. She gives me 2 in-store gift cards because I had 2 different transactions. These right here are $19.58. So I have $19.58 of store credit that I got. Okay, so my grand total would be $6.48 for that, and I'm just like, oh, that is so much better. But as I'm looking at my receipts, I'm gonna have to call them. So with one receipt, I got $16.36 of cash rewards, but I ended up losing $6.13, and I'm like, okay, how did I lose $6.13? I don't have any. I mean, I ended up having $10 on here. Okay, that makes sense. $10, I might have had a thing to it. So $10, that seems all right, okay? So then I look on here and I received $11.13 on here, but they took away $11.22 from my return. So something's not right. Something's not right on here, so I have to like figure out my money that I was supposed to get. It's just, it's confusing as all heck. I'm gonna probably have to call customer service or something, and they'll probably just give me points. But my total is supposed to be $6.48 for everything, so it's confusing. I hope you guys have not as a confusing haul as I did. I'm getting hot in here. It's supposed to be like 90 degrees now, but anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys my haul. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any problems, because, you know, hopefully it's temporary and it goes away after a couple hours. So thanks again. See you guys later. Bye-bye.